Baitman here. Welcome to the Hook and Paddle Weekly Kayak Fishing Report for August 15th, 2025. Real lakes, real bait, real bite. This week's featured lake is Lake Leelanau, split into North and South basins. North Lake, target walleye and smallmouth around Brady Point, Cemetery Point, and the Narrows. Slip bobbers with leeches or minnows produce best. South Lake, southern shoals are loaded with panfish. Worms or perch minnows under a slip bobber are hot. Drift crawler harnesses along drop-offs for walleye and perch. Early morning and evening are prime time for kayak anglers. This week's bait shop spotlight is Leelanau Narrows Bait Shop in Lake Leelanau Village, owned by Greg Alsip. Greg also runs Lake Effect Charters. If you're looking to get on fish fast, he's your guy. Stop in for fresh crawlers, leeches, minnows, and the latest lake intel. Our kayak pro team, Dwayne and Tiffany, found success this week using a drop shot rig with minnows for lake trout. They tried plastics, they tried jigging, no hits. Switched to live minnows on a drop shot and fish started biting right away. Here are this week's top 10 kayak-friendly lakes in northern Michigan. 1. Lake Charlevoix, leeches for walleye, smallmouth on rocky points. 2. Burt Lake, crawlers for walleye, pike and bays. 3. Mullet Lake, minnows for smallmouth, walleye along flats. 4. Torch Lake, tube jigs and leeches for trophy smallmouth. 5. Long Lake, panfish on worms, walleye on harnesses. 6. Spider Lake, worms for panfish, pike on minnows. 7. Crystal Lake, perch on minnows, bass on drop shots. 8. Lake Leelanau, this week's feature. 9. Skegimog Lake, pike and perch on crawler rigs. 10. Lake Dubonnet, pike and panfish on worms. Upper Peninsula kayak picks this week. 1. Lake Gogabic, walleye and perch on crawler harnesses 15-20 feet. 2. Little Bay Denock, perch on minnows near Kipling, smallmouth on tubes. 3. Big Bay Denock, walleye on leeches and 18-25 feet. 4. Tahquamenon River, smallmouth and pike on minnows along weed edges. 5. St. Mary's River, multi-species action with live minnows near current seams. Other hot kayak bites: Houghton Lake, walleye on crawler harnesses. Otsego Lake, walleye on leeches in 12-18 feet. Skegimog Lake, pike on spoons, perch on minnows. Higgins Lake, trout deep on live bait rigs. Indian River, smallmouth on crawlers near current edges. That's your Hook and Paddle Weekly Kayak Fishing Report. Fish smarter, kayak quiet, tight lines. Baitman out. Follow on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube for the latest reports and tips.